Hey there, welcome to Scripting 3, where you can learn about Google Apps Script in short videos, tutorials that are around 3 minutes or less. And today we're going to be looking at adding a alert menu in a Google Doc. So I've got the script, the description documents open here, and the first item on here is alert docs or alert dialogues. And there's some code here that we are going to copy into, I've already copied into my document script. So I've got a new document here, and then tools and script editor, and then you can see here that I've already copied that script over. But there is a difference between my script and the script in the docs. If you look in the docs, it says here spreadsheet app, and here as well spreadsheet app, and I've changed that for document app and document app, so that it opens in the Google document. A quick run through here on line 3, line 2, we call and ask to get the UI, and then we ask it to create a menu. There's a custom menu item shows up with this name, custom menu. Then we ask it to add a button underneath, or an item underneath, listed underneath, called show alert. And then from there, when it's clicked, we're asking the script to run this function here. So the second argument in this add item is a show alert function. Here is the show alert function, and then to start with, we're transferring the document.get UI over to this variable UI, and then that's used later on further down in the function. So the first item here is the result is equal UI.alert, which is going to open up a dialog. And then the first, I think this is the header, the first argument in here is the header, which is please confirm. And then there's the second argument is some text. And then the third argument are these buttons at the bottom there, yes or no. So that will bring up the button set, yes or no button set. And then on line 17, when you click on yes, so it's saying here, if the result is equal to yes, then do this. And in this case, it's asking again for another alert where you've got to click, else you can do this. So in this case, you're basically confirming something with the user, and then you can use that later on down in their confirmation later down on the script. And then what that looks like in here is you can see that there's a, so once you put this in, make sure that you at least once run that unopened, and it might ask you for permission. So you have to put your permissions in there and just accept it. So then in the document here, if I reload this, you can see already there's a menu item there, but it's saved to the document, so that when I open it up, there's a menu item there, and then click on show alert, and there's a confirmation, yes, and then it comes back with the second confirmation like so. So here in our script, we are doing this basic alert, triggering it by a menu item, but the same code could also be triggered from a sidebar or something else. I hope that was helpful, and yeah, please be sure to subscribe and check out the description for any links that I might have mentioned in the video.